Now I want to go back to Power Query, and we looked at the fact that if you rested on any of these particular connections here, you could click the Edit button, and that would be one way that you could actually access Power Query. But another way is you may notice that up here in your ribbon you have a tab called Query. And if I click the Edit button, then I'm able to go into Power Query Editor. We've looked at importing data from a text file, from a database, and from Excel files. Now I want to look at the fact that you can actually create a query or a table actually in Power Query Editor. And what you would use is this button here, Enter Data. So I'm going to click this button. I want to give this query a name, so at the bottom here I'm just going to call it Volunteers List. And then up here I'm going to click on column 1, actually double click, and I'll type name. I'll click on this plus and then double click and I'll type phone. In this first row I'm going to put a person in, myself, and a phone number. If I want to add another row, I'll hit this plus and simply add another person, Sue Jones, and a phone number for Sue. When I click OK, I've therefore created a query just by using the Enter Data button, and it appears as the last query in my list of 14 queries. So you can create your own query or table just by using the Enter Data button.